So over here you can see that I am in the deliver page, and in the deliver page you can see the project timeline right here. So now over here, if you want to render this video out, let's say render out all of the contents of the project, then you don't need to do anything in the timeline. But if you want to select out a particular range, let's say from here to here, then what you need to do is, first of all, you need to go around onto render, where you see the entire timeline option that you can select or choose in and out. So I'm just going to go around and select in and out range right here. That what it was in from the beginning as well, and that is what I want. So I'm just going to go around over here and set this as an endpoint. So to do that, you can press I on your keyboard right here, and then you can go around over here onto the point where you want to set it as an out point and press O on your keyboard as well. So once you do that, you can see that the in point and out point is set right here, just like that. So this is what you have, in point and out point right here. You can also go around and click and drag out the in and out point according to how you like from over here as well. So once you do that, you can see that the in and out point is set. So now what you can do is you can go around over here onto the render settings, and once you go around onto render settings, you can see that custom export is an option right here that you can use to customize out the different options over here on the video, or you can go around over here and choose a preset right here. So once you go around and do that, you can see that I'm just going to go around and select S.264 right now. I'm not going to worry about the settings. So I'm just going to go around and select S.264, which is a commonly used exporting format. There are other formats, as you can see over here as well. So once you're happy with the format, you can go around and click on add to render queue right here. And once you do that, you can select out the location of where you want to save the render. So you can go around onto desktop, let's say for example, and click on save. So once you do that, you can see a job has been added onto the render queue. So you need to click on render all in order to stop the rendering process. If there are more than one renders, you can go around, keep on add to render queue, and it'll add it right here. Let's say for example, this is going to be my out point. You can click on add to render queue right here, just like this, and you can replace out the existing file over here, and you can go around, set in an in point right here, and then set an out point right here. Click on add to render queue right here, and you can see that you can replace the existing file or rename it right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around right here, rename this, and then you can see that I have this one, and you can add in many jobs as you want and click on render to render it out as well. But we have already rendered out one video right here, which didn't take much, but if you have a larger project, then it will take some time to render it out. So you can see that in the render queue, one has been completed. So let's see that video that we exported out onto our desktop. So to do that, let me just go around and minimize this Davinci Resolve window right here, and here you can see the MOV file that we exported. So if I were to go around over here, let me just open this out with VLC. This is an example audio recording for Davinci, and you can see the video that was exported out right here. So that is how you can render out videos from Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.